this video demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the uses of the brand new Crafts 2 Precision Stamp Press. This is a fantastic tool and works wonderfully well with the new multi-purpose craft mat. And I'm using it here with two new John Next Door stamp sets. So here we've got JND508 Handy Sentiment Set and JND507 Sentiment Line stamps. The sentiment lines have little lines and details on them. We'll show that through the demonstration. The handy sentiments are the ones we'll use every day. So happy birthday, best wishes, sent with love, Christmas wishes, birthday wishes, happy new year, happy Christmas. And then you've got a smaller version. So you've got a full size and a half size version of all of those. We've included the ones that you'll need on your desk at all times. But the main thing we want to go through is the Precision Stamp Press. This has been designed specifically to work for stamping sentiments and things onto cards when they're made, so that you don't have to bring your large stamp press out to get a perfect sentiment every time. It has four sort of hinged, almost sprung feet, but these are actually fully formed sort of plastic feet. Each one is independent, so unlike the foam platforms, these won't sink or change over time. It also has the lines on there as well. These have been done every ½ inch, so these fit exactly with the multi-purpose craft mat from Crafts 2. So if you can see, they exactly fit, so you know that your sentiment will not only be straight, but it will be in exactly the right place every single time. So I want to show you how to line up a stamp onto this. So I'm going to bring my set of stamps in, and I'm going to go with I'll go with the Merry Christmas. I'm going to take the Merry Christmas off, and all I do is line that up on one of the lines on my craft mat. So I've got that against the bottom of all of that, so I know that that stamp now is perfectly straight. To make sure that I get that stamp completely straight in the block, I simply use the lines, there we go, and press down. So using the lines on the mat and on the precision press, I get that exactly straight and even every time. It also means that when I come to stamp this, I can get this completely straight. So here I've got a little piece of coconut white card, and this is where the mat comes into its own. I don't have to tape this down and worry about it moving. The mat itself being made from a reinforced, it's a very thin reinforced silicone, so it has fibres running through it. I can put this down into this inch line, and there, it's fixed. It doesn't move. It isn't sticky, the mat's not sticky at all, but card or paper on this will not move at all. So, to put my sentiment on, I simply have to take my ink, as I do normally. Here I'm using VersaFine Smoky Grey, and I'm just going to ink my stamp as I would do normally on any kind of stamp block. But then I can line up exactly my sentiment, making sure it's even against those lines. It's in the center because the maths are all worked out. So the center of this card here, so I get my lines exactly right on that one, and simply press down and release, and I get the perfect stamped sentiment. Nice and simple and easy every single time. Very easy, simple technique, but a simple one to do.